Hi, we're here today at the beautiful Rios Antillas Palace Resort in Aruba. I'm Maureen from A Premier Travel, and we're going to give you a room tour of their Junior Suite Ocean View room. Now this room will come with either a king-size bed or 2 double beds depending on how many people you have in the room. This is an adult-only section. The Rio Palace Resort next door you have full access to. All the rooms come with your bathrobes to use as well as an iron board. Plenty of lights, reading lights on both sides. We have a safe here that is large enough to fit a laptop computer. Plenty of hangers. There's also your iron there for your iron board, so it is a full iron. Over here we have our flat screen TV along with our bureau here for drawers to unpack your clothes, a little table and chair here. And there's also a love seat here with a nice table there with your view. And out here on our balcony, there are 2 lounge chairs. Now we're overlooking, we have a sea view, partial sea view room, as well as the pool. So right this time of day, you can hear the entertainment. Beautiful ocean views. Next door, they're building the St. Regis Resort, which is going to be a 5-star luxury resort. But you still have your ocean views here, so it does not interfere. Nice rack here to dry your bathing suits after you come back from the pool or beach. We also have a full-length mirror here. And with the Rio resorts, they are all-inclusive resorts with all of your meals, all of your drinks, your tips, your entertainment. They have a mini fridge here that is replenished daily with your soft drinks and beer. You also have bottled water, a little coffee espresso machine there, and your ice bucket. Now you have the liquor is locked up so no one can tamper with it, but this is all complimentary. That's included. You would just put your glass up to the bottom of it. Plenty of US plugs everywhere. And then the bathroom is a really nice bathroom here. You have a double sink. You have your bathroom amenities with your shampoo, conditioner, body wash, along with a hair dryer and a makeup mirror. You have a nice walk-in shower here with your rainforest shower head, as well as a handheld shower as well. So at the Rio Antillas Aruba Resort, this is the adult-only section, as well as the Rios Palace Resort. So if you stay at the Rios Antillas, you have full access over to the Rio Palace. And if you're staying at the Rio Palace, you can come over here if you're an adult only. So when you're ready to book your next vacation to Aruba, staying at the Rio Resort or any of the Rio resorts, please call the experts at A Premier Travel. Thank you.